Amazon's $25 flight deal. What you need to know. Imagine snagging a flight for just $25. Yes, you heard it right. Amazon, a company already known for incredible deals, is stepping into travel with a jaw-dropping offer that young adults can't afford to miss. So, buckle up and let's dive into the details. This deal is exclusively for young adventurers aged 18 to 24 years old. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just hitting the road for fun, all you need is an Amazon Young Adults membership to be eligible. This could be your chance to explore the US without breaking the bank. Starting December 9th, Amazon is releasing $5,025 flight tickets, ready to be snapped up. To grab one, head to amazon.com/25flights. Remember, there's a limit. Only 1,000 tickets are released each day, so timing and speed are key to securing your spot. These discounted flights apply to domestic U.S. destinations, perfect for holiday travel or a last-minute adventure. You'll fly either basic economy or main cabin. Keep in mind, though, extras like baggage fees aren't included in the $25 price, so pack light if you want to keep it budget-friendly. Not subscribed yet? No problem. Amazon Young Adults membership is only $7.49 per month. Besides access to this amazing flight deal, you also unlock a range of other benefits, making your monthly subscription fee well worth it. The holidays are famously expensive, especially for travel. Amazon's $25 flights specifically cater to young adults who have tight budgets but big plans. Whether it's visiting family or taking a much-needed vacation, this deal couldn't have come at a better time. First, sign up for Amazon's Young Adults membership. Visit amazon.com/25flights starting Monday, December 9th. Then, check available flights from the daily ticket release. Then, confirm your booking quickly. Supply is limited and competition is fierce. This isn't just a flight, it's a gateway to experiences. From visiting friends across the country to embracing adventure in a new city, Amazon is giving young people the freedom to travel affordably. It's an unforgettable opportunity for those building their memories and futures. Amazon's partnership with Student Universe creates a unique opportunity. By reducing financial barriers, they've managed to redefine possibilities for young travelers. Amazon is making its mark in the travel industry, and this deal hints at exciting innovations to come. Know someone aged 18 to 24 years old? Don't keep this deal to yourself. Share the news with your siblings, friends, or classmates and help them save big. With only 5,000 tickets available, it's a race everyone will want to join. This isn't just a deal. It's a chance to see the country, visit loved ones, or simply take a well-deserved break. Head to amazon.com/25flights starting December 9th and make your plans today. Subscribe to Young Adults membership now and let Amazon help you take off.